Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the currency strength meter, and you can see that today GBP is the strongest currency, whereas US dollar is the weakest currency. US dollar is weakest. That doesn't mean that there is a trend reversal on USD. Okay, so be very careful. Do not take any sell position on USD. That will be very risky for you. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter, then this is the GBP USD, our beloved. Just like the Euro USD, we have 18% sell position and 81% long position. But in comparison, the chart of GBP USD is quite better because in Euro USD we are witnessing heavy sell off, and most of the traders have lost their hard-earned money. And I have been requesting every one of you for the last 2 weeks that you should be exiting from your buy positions, and this was the main reason. You can see that right now market has reached the bottom and things are very bad here. Okay, so see, these retail traders, 81% retail traders are still on the long side, and obviously they are in loss right now. They are in full of anxiety, tension, because this is their hard-earned money, and this happens because you do not follow the trend of the market. Okay. If you look at the trend of the GBP USD, you can clearly see that this market is in downtrend. So taking a buy position was a very risky call. So from next time onwards, don't do that. So what we should be doing here? First of all, you can see GBP USD was positive. Therefore, we can see some recovery on GBP USD here. And one more thing that I would like to add is the chart of DXY. US dollar, in the US dollar chart, DXY chart, we can see some sort of correction. Yes, some sort of correction going on DXY, but that doesn't mean that this is a trend reversal. Okay, my dear friends, do not make the mistake of considering this as a trend reversal. So if the correction continues, then yes, there will be some recovery on GBP USD. But as US dollar is very bullish, there is a good possibility of dollar bouncing from the GBP USD. So from the trend line, sorry, from the trend line. So if it bounces again, then again we will see some selling on GBP USD again. But if the trend line fails to provide support to the market, then we have the level of 96.40 on DXY chart, and this level will definitely provide some support. And if market bounces, again we will see some selling on GBP USD. So always keep your one eye on the chart of DXY, and that is very important. And this is our chart of GBP USD. Then what should be our trading strategy then? The strategy is simple. As we do not have the proper confirmation for trend reversal, therefore considering the trend of the market, still we will be looking for selling opportunity, the selling position only, because trend is the most important thing in the market and trend is our friend. So first of all, okay, we will take a sell position. Okay, the sell position at the trend line. If market goes up, okay, if the correction continues in the market, of DXY, and if you see GBPUSD going up from here, then definitely we are going to have a resistance at the trend line, because you can see the trend line has been acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. So if market goes up, or if the recovery continues on GBP USD, then there is a good possibility of GBP USD reversing from the trend line. If it reverses, we will take a sell position. And this next opportunity is the present level. At this level, you can see I have drawn a line here, and it looks like that we have a resistance here. Previously this level was the support. Yes, listen to me carefully. Previously 1.3350 was the support, and this is the new resistance for the market, because support becomes resistance and resistances become support. This was the support, and therefore there is a possibility of 1.3350 as the new resistance for the market. So if you are a scalper, if you want to short the market right now, you can take a sell position, but this is not a very safe level. To be very honest, this is not a very safe level because we still do not have the confirmation whether 1.3350 will be acting as the new resistance or not. Once we get the confirmation in the form of a shooting star pattern like this or good price rejection from above, you can take a sell position. Beginners, new traders, and traders who cannot afford to take any risk right now, you can avoid selling at this particular level because you see, you are a trader, not a gambler. You do not need to trade on every opportunity. Okay, trader only trades when the right opportunity strikes, right opportunity comes in. Always keep in mind. So you can also avoid this, that's totally optional. Okay, personally I will not trade in this level because there are plenty of opportunities on the market, and why I should be risking my money on a level like this where I'm not sure. And the third trading opportunity is taking a sell position below 1.3315 level. Yes, you can take a sell position below this level. If you see a sudden selling pressure in the market, if you see DXY getting bullish again, DXY going up, obviously there will be some fresh selling. Yes, fresh selling on GBP USD, and market will break the level and start going down. Then you can take a sell position. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on GBP USD chart that I see right now. And if you want to take a buy position, see, honestly speaking, I still do not see any safe buying opportunities on the chart of GBP USD. Therefore, I will not recommend. Until and unless, always keep in mind, for a trend reversal in the market, we need a V pattern. In case of an uptrend market, we need an inverted V pattern. Unless we get an inverted V pattern or V pattern like this, you cannot consider it as a trend reversal. Okay, so be careful, and whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Here, and this is the Pro Trader program, my dear friends, where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. So if you're interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, what is it about, and yes, I do many things apart from providing signals and trading setups. So just go to my website and just go through all the information. Hopefully you'll love it. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again. And if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow. And yeah, I forgot to mention, today is Thanksgiving, so market will be very slow. Probably you have also seen that market is extremely dull today, so do not expect huge movement right now.